You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why?
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a speed clean and paint with me. Before we jump into it, I hope you guys like 80s movies. 80s movies are one of my favorite thing ever. Like I love cheesy action 80s movies, which is why I have a giant Arnold poster next to me. Definitely let me know what your favorite 80s movies is if that's like your thing. So today's video, like I said, is going to be a speed clean and paint with me. This video is a part of my home refresh series. And if you're brand new here, my home refresh series is a series that I have going on my channel right now. And I've been doing it for probably the past like 6 months. And essentially, we've decided to repaint our entire house. And I have kind of paired that with deep cluttering, cleaning, deep cleaning, and organizing, as well as painting, like I said. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I have a whole playlist linked down below in my description box. Definitely check it out if you want to get caught up. It's pretty cool to watch like my house be transformed. And in today's video, I am finishing my downstairs. So I live in a split level, so I essentially have 2 living rooms. But my downstairs, there's a spare bedroom, a living room, a bathroom, and the door that I'm painting actually is the door to my laundry room. So in today's video, I'm going to be finishing up the door and all the trim in the laundry room, like for that doorway. And then the laundry room is next on my list. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you're interested. I'm going to have like an awesome transformation coming. And I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. But there's going to be a lot of deep cleaning, a lot of painting. Like my laundry room is a hot mess and it needs a ton of work. So jumping right into it, like I said, I'm going to finish up painting and then I'm going to do some cleaning. Nothing crazy in today's video, not a deep clean or anything. I'm going to be flying through our bedrooms and then I will be wrapping up in the kitchen. So I'm going to let some music play for a little bit and I'll be popping back in and out throughout the video. Like I said, please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it, and let's jump into this.
Do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to Should stop now, but I don't have self-control. Keep wondering how I miss the sights. Oh, is that wrong to want a peace of mind? I keep asking myself how I could get you to stay. 'Cause it's breaking my heart to see you walking away. See you, babe.
So as I said, definitely stay tuned. I cannot wait to start my laundry room. I'm going to be starting it probably this week. I have already, like I said, check out the home refresh series. I've already done some work in there, but I essentially need to, like, I took the month of December off, and I really just need to like get back in there and continue it. So that's my plan this week. Definitely, like I said, stay tuned and subscribe. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So for right now, I'm going to be really just flying through my daughter's room. She's going to be helping me, and by helping me, just like jumping on the bed. I get questions a lot about what Evelyn's chores are, or why doesn't Evelyn help me clean? And honestly, like, she does help me clean, and she does have chores that she has to do. But at the end of the day, like, especially on days that I'm cleaning, I just kind of do her chores for her, and on it, like, it just, I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I know that there are a lot of people that get upset that Evelyn like doesn't have chores. You wouldn't believe some of the comments I get. But for, like I said, for days like this, like, I just think it's a treat that like mom gets in and cleans your room. That's something that my mom did for me when I was little, is like on Sundays or on the weekend, she would get in and like kind of just, I don't know, I like to call it a mother's touch. And she would go in and clean my room for me, and it was like a big treat. So, so like I said, just fly through Evelyn's room, really nothing crazy. And then I'm going to do the same in my bedroom. I'm going to make the bed, get all the laundry out of there, and then as well as fold some laundry. And then I would say a majority of the cleaning that happens in this video is in my kitchen. So after my bedroom, I will be moving on into the kitchen.
I guess we lost reasoning. One day at a time, still no bottom line. I still feel your touch like ecstasy. Oh, it hits me almost like a distant dream. I'll be going down. You don't turn around. I'll be going down. I keep asking myself how I could get you to stay. 'Cause it's breaking my heart to see you walking away. See you, babe. See you, babe. See you, babe. Oh, baby. Oh, you're walking away. Oh, to see you, babe.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder.
So moving on into my kitchen, really nothing crazy here. I feel like I have to say that a bunch because I want to set everybody's expectations very low. So I'm just going to be flying through my kitchen and putting things back together, just doing a good wipe down of the kitchen. The only thing is I didn't do my floors. I hope you guys will understand, but I was essentially running out of time, like in reference to filming this video, so I just had to get the most important things done. So I made sure to put everything away, get the dishes dishes done, wipe down all the surfaces. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to-do list today. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And like I said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm going to let some music play for the rest of this video. But like I said, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
across me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut